Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus x equals to x times of x times of x. It means that in the left hand side we have add x 3 times, in the right hand side we have just multiply x by 3 times. Okay, so now in the left hand side we see here x is added by 3 times. So if we take common x from the left hand side, then we get the remaining terms are 1 plus 1 plus 1, and it is equals to, in the right hand side you see here, the exponent of all of these three terms are 1. So here we need to use the exponential law. You know about this law. If we have a to the power of m into a to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Okay, so according to this exponential law, we add the exponents of all of these three terms, so it will be written as x to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes x to the power of 3. Okay, so further you see here, uh, in the left hand side we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 3, so we write it as x into 3 equals to x cubed. So here we write this term as 3x equals to x cubed. So this shows that this equation will becomes a cubic equation. So now we move this 3x to the right hand side, so it will be written as x cube minus 3x equals to 0. Okay, so now here you see that x be the common term, so that now we take common x from these two terms and it will be written as x square minus, here we take common x, the remaining term becomes 3, and this is equals to 0. Okay, so further in the next step here we need to convert this into the two cases, so that our first case is we take x equals to 0, and the second case is we take x square minus 3 is equals to 0. So further in the next step you see here, this is the first solution of the given equation, and now in order to find the other solutions we need to solve this quadratic equation. So this is the pure quadratic equation, and now here we rewrite this equation as x square minus, we write this 3 as square root of 3 and its whole square, this is equals to 0. It means that here at the same time we just take a square root and square at the same time on the value of 3. So further you see here, here we need to use the nice algebraic formula. You know that if we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. Okay, so here we use this nice algebraic formula in the above term, so that after applying this formula our above term will be written as in this form: x minus square root of 3 into x plus square root of 3, and this is equals to 0. So further in the next step here we again need to convert the above equation into the two cases, so that our first case is we take x minus square root of 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we take x plus square root of 3 equals to 0. So in the first case we easily get the value of x is equals to square root of 3, and in the second case we easily get the value of x is equals to minus square root of 3. Okay, so finally we have the three roots of the given equation are, so that we call this is the first root, x1 equals to square root of 3, this is the our second root, x2 equals to minus square root of 3, and our third root is x3 equals to 0. Okay, which we find above here. So now we have finally these three roots are the roots of the given equation. So now in the next step we need to verify these three roots of the given equation. Okay, so now in order to verify these three roots, first we need to copy down the given question statement, so that our given question statement is x plus x equals to x into x into x. Okay, so now here first we verify this value, which we can just simplify here. So now we substitute x1 equals to square root of 3 on both of these sides, so it will be written as square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 equals to square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3. Okay, so in the left hand side you see here 3 is added by square root of 3 is added by 3 times. We write it as square root of 3 into 1 plus 1 plus 1. We take common square root of 3, and here if we multiply these two square root of 3, it will be written as square root of 3 and its whole square, and this will be written as square root of 3. So here you see that this will be equals to 3 times of square root of 3. So this 2 and square root are gone, and you get 3 times of square root of 3. This shows that the first root satisfied the given question statement. And now similarly we need to verify the second root. So now we substitute the second value in this in both of the sides, so that we write it as minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 equals to minus square root of 3 multiplied by minus square root of 3 multiplied by minus square root of 3. Okay, so here again you see that we have square root of 3 be the common term, so the remaining terms are minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. And similarly here you see that when you multiply these two values, it will be written as minus into square root of 3 and its whole square multiplied by minus into square root of 3. Okay, so further you see here when you add minus 1 3 times, it will be written as minus 3 into square root of 3. Similarly, in the right hand side, you see here the square of minus become positive, and 2 and this square root are cancelled by each other. So you get here 3 only, and here you have minus into square root of 3. So we write it as minus 3 into square root of 3 equals to minus 3 times of square root of 3. So this also shows that both of the sides are equal when we take the second value. Okay, similarly it means that the second root also satisfies the given equation. Similarly, if you substitute 0 on both of the sides, we just write it here. Our third value x3 equals to 0. Okay, so now we verify this solution. So we substitute this value on both of the sides. It will be written as 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0. Here we see that when you add 0 3 times, it will become 0, and when you multiply 0 3 times, it will also become 0. This shows that third root also satisfies the given equation. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.